Today I'm going to show you how to create 80s curls. To start off, I use the volume mousse and I apply it evenly throughout the whole hair before I dry it completely dry. When the hair is completely dry, I use the heat styling protection that protects up to 220 degrees Celsius. I apply it throughout the whole hair before I use the hot iron. So now I'm ready to curl the hair with the hot iron from Björn Axén tools. I will take section by section, curl it, put a clip in and let it cool off. If you feel it's difficult to get the curls to last, you can use fixing hairspray on dry hair before you use the hot iron to make a perfect long-lasting shiny curl. So now I finished all the curls and now I'm going to remove the clips before I create this big curly hairdo. In order to create this big, messy, curly hair, I use the blow dryer on cold air but high speed. This is how I do it. So now to get these 80s curls to last all night long, I use the Mega Fix hairspray. Here we are, 80s curls.